Hey everyone, well, Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is going to be a vlogging series. My 2 week break starts now for this my little summer break before summer class starts in many ways. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and yeah, leave down a comment if you have any questions and so forth. Usually towards like the end of the month, I read through your questions on video in many ways. I am working on Age of Sigmar. Back at it, trying to finish up Skavens. I have a lot more Skavens left, a lot more I 3D printed for the Rat Lord as well. I ordered some Emperor's Children like Fulgrim. I was thinking of 3D printing it, but I actually want an actual Games Workshop Emperor's Children full set for my game. Um, Hopefully I'll be done with a whole bunch of stuff. There's a lot of stuff that's out of stock because it is a very hot commodity right now. For the Slaanesh army, I know about 3D print some of them for a couple of my proxy games that we have at Carolina Tabletop up in North Carolina. And so we also got some pastel color paints that's coming in as well. Some more Vallejo, and I think I have Vallejo Stargazer paint that basically like changes color for it. So I'm going to use that for metallic style painting for or a carapace of an insect for like spelljammers and so forth. Order some more resin. If you're going to buy resin now. It is $37 for 3 kilogram from Sun Lu. That's what I got. Last week went up to $49. So if it's 37 right now, I highly suggest you to go grab it. We got some more filament PLA filament for the Anycubic Cobra Max 2. We'll be using that to print more terrain pieces for it. I think I got like 10, I think it was like 10 or 12 kilograms of PLA. Like $104 for it. Reason why I got a whole bunch is my birthday is in 2 weeks from now, May 18th, and I'm getting birthday money, so I'm using that birthday money to buy more stuff for the hobby as well. I might be stopping plasma donation because I use a plasma donation for this hobby specifically because I use like $400 a month of plasma donation. The problem is that um, the card system. They just someone stole $250 out of my card system for it. I'm trying to get that money back, and if I don't get that money back, and if CSL doesn't fix the problem, I'm probably gonna stop donating because I need to find other alternative to find money to for this hobby as well. I'm thinking about setting up my Fiverr account if you guys want to hire me for painting and 3D printing. So that'll be coming hopefully in a week or two. I'll be setting that up for you guys. And yes, I do paint a lot, and I do want to paint more, but freaking think everything's getting a little more expensive as it is now, and I want to try to get stuff done as much as possible. This Friday, we'll find out if Ashley's pregnant or not, or if I'm going to be a dad. You'll see a short video for that, or a next vlog video on Wednesday. And we're trying to do online D&D on Roll20 on Friday nights, and it's kind of hard nowadays try to get everyone, try to do it every Friday. It's just that everyone has a life, has a job, has a family to provide in many ways, and we might get it canceled again until we actually get an actual like a dedicated group for Friday nights or Saturday night. We did not did Minecraft last week. Actually, didn't feel too well, so hopefully do Minecraft this Saturday night and get you guys in to play some Minecraft with us. I am going to be live streaming a game, hopefully starting this Thursday. It might be Oblivion or Xenoblade Chronicle X that I have never played. I own it on the Wii U, and I also own it on the Switch. So we're gonna play on the Switch version of it and see how that goes because I never actually played it. I played Xenoblade 1, 2, and 3. Never actually fully played one. Two is probably the best one out of to me when I the Xenoblade that I've played so far. Um, One, the story's kind of dull. I heard that everyone's favorite is Xenoblade Chronicles X, so I'm actually looking forward to play that in many ways. We are going to be 3D printing a lot more dinosaurs, and we got a new camera stand for the iPhone because we have bigger models and stuff. And Ashley is going to be painting them for her actual D&D campaign for the dinosaur ones. So basically, is you stranded on an island, nothing but the stuff that you just bought, starting on level 3, and it has an app is it's an island that hasn't been like explored or conquered. You gotta survive in it, and it's nothing but like dinosaurs. So it's kind of like Monster Hunter esque, but there's no like guild authorization. So you go in, you kill the monsters, you kill the dinosaurs, harvest their meat, get the material crafting, and you craft stuff for it as well. We got the book for it, and I'm actually kind of pretty excited to actually play it through and getting more minis on the shelf. We are going to be moving the closet full of miniatures into the garage. We're going to convert that walk-in closet into a baby nursing room until the baby gets if we do, she is pregnant, so that is the plan. And I'm already slowly going to be moving it. So if she is pregnant by Friday, I will be starting to move all of that slowly. I am actually using a lot of these pro acrylic terrain paints. These are actually really cool, good. I use them a lot. I just got a desert color one for my Tomb Kings, and I'm actually coloring different colors on the base side as well, so I can know which ones is which part of army because I have like different types of orcs from D&D, Warhammer, Age of Sigmar, and Old World. So I gotta paint them different color schemes to see which one goes into what. And I have a lot of miniatures. I have a lot of old miniatures too. I'm gonna have to print a lot more bases. I got magnets that I am gonna test out on miniatures as well because I need to basically try to get um, because I have a big storage carrying case that's magnet pressed with LED lights in it. That's still in the box. I haven't opened it yet. I might do like a live stream building it. I don't know, but we will see how that will go in many ways. I'm trying to save up a little bit more money to get a fantastic fanatic paints from Army Painters, but that's like $500, uh, and that's a very expensive for a pot of paint. The whole set for the speed paint was a lot less than that. But anyhow, hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.